Good morning, Riverview High School. It's me, Mr. A, and I have an announcement for you. Tonight is the premiere of the very first musical that has been here at Riverview High School in forever. We are doing Disney's High School Musical in the RPAC tonight, 7 p.m. Tickets are $15. You can get them in the breezeway in the morning or at the door. We're going to do it again tomorrow, 7 p.m. Come and see Disney's High School Musical. Support your fellow students. Have some fun because we're all in this together. See you there.
Thank you, Mr. A, for the lovely video. My name is Kenzie Dailey, and this is RAM News. Today's trivia question is, what is the deadliest animal in the world? So now for some sport updates. This past Tuesday, April 11th, our Varsity Girls Lacrosse team was able to win their first playoff game, defeating Lakewood Ranch 20-12. Our JV baseball team also won their game, taking down Out of the Door Academy 4-1. And lastly, our varsity baseball team blew Southeast out of the park, ending with a score of 18-1. Today, they will be visiting Newman with a game beginning at 7 p.m. Also, our girls beach volleyball and JV softball teams will be playing at Sarasota, with beach volleyball starting at 3 p.m. and softball beginning at 6 p.m. Lastly, our varsity softball team will be hosting Palmetto, beginning at 6 p.m. as well. Our track and field team will be having their county meet today, with the event being held at Venice. Reminder, cheer tryout practices will take place in the gym, starting next Monday, April 17th, and going through April 20th. Registration is due the day that the practices start. Varsity practice will be from 2:30 to 4:30 p.m., while JV practice will be from 5 to 6:30 p.m. The RHS Faces Autism Club will be meeting tomorrow morning at 7:10 a.m. During the meeting, members will write letters to other kids, with one letter being equivalent to 1 hour and 4 hours being the max. So if you'd like to join, go to room 5124. There will be a ping pong tournament next Wednesday, April 19th, in the RPAC after school. The winner of the tournament will win $30, and there will also be pizza. There will also be a tournament 2 weeks from now on the 26th, and this will be for members to represent their clubs from throughout the school. If you're a club president and would like to apply, see the QR code on the screen. That tournament will also have pizza and a first place prize of $36. If you have any questions, email n4342559@sarasotacountyschools.net. The answer to today's trivia question, which was, what is the deadliest animal in the world? And the answer is mosquito. That's all for today, Rams. Have a theatrical day.